Are you trying to upload videos on Facebook from iPhone or iPad but can't because it is getting stuck? Many people complain that they are unable to upload videos on Facebook from iPhone or iPad. Here we will show you some easy ways you can follow to fix this problem. We are using an iPhone but it will work for iPad too. First, make sure the video you are trying to upload is supported by Facebook. Though it supports many formats, Facebook recommends MP4 or MOV format. You can make sure to use them to avoid problems. Also keep an eye on the video length. If it is more than 4 GB or 240 minutes, you won't be able to upload the file. If these are not the problem, check out the next ways. Another main reason for not being able to upload videos on Facebook can be insufficient internet. As the video files are quite large, you need a good speed. You can restart your connection by turning on the airplane mode. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. If possible, you can switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa. It can often fix the problem. If you're using a VPN, it can cause problem with video uploading, so you need to turn it off and it will fix your problem. If the net connection is not your problem, but still the video is not uploading and it is stuck, discard the post. After you discard the post, tap on your profile. Scroll down, tap log out, again tap log out. Now force close your Facebook app. Now if you wish, you can give your iPhone a force restart for safety purpose, but we are not going to do it right now. Open Facebook again, log into your account, go to your profile, scroll down. Now try to upload the video and your problem could be fixed. If it also does not fix your problem, this problem can happen if there are too much cache and cookies stored on your Facebook app and you need to offload it. Now to do that, open your settings, scroll down, go to General, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down and select Facebook, tap Offload App, again tap Offload App. Now reinstall the app. If your Facebook app is not up to date, it can cause problem with video uploading. So make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Now if nothing else works, delete your Facebook app. Now reinstall the Facebook app again. Open the app, log in. Now try to upload the video again. Tap continue. Make sure you give access to photos. Tap allow access to all photos. Now select your video file. Tap done. If you want, you can add a caption. We are not doing it right now. Tap post. Now you might have to refresh your page and you can see the video is uploaded. So guys, this is the way you can easily fix unable to upload videos on Facebook from iPhone or iPad. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.